And because of the type of culture that we're creating in our classrooms, these students want to learn each other's language, which is so beautiful, right? And say, hey, if you want to write it down, write it down, right? It's all about promoting multilingualism, right? Promoting language, right? English is not more important than Spanish. Spanish is not more important than English. All languages are important. And then the next thing I like to do is the same definition that is used in Listenwise, I put it here, copy and paste. And what's so cool about Listenwise, they use this powerful um, read and write translation, read and write extension that you can actually get images of the words. If you just click on the word filling, boom, you get an image for that word. If you want to know what to get a picture, an illustration of wanting, boom, you can, it's there. And they can just grab it and save it and just drag it over to this here is created in a Google slide. So boom, give them the definition, visual definition of hope. Then I record myself reading that definition. Why is that important? Because they are able to take ownership of the learning, and they are able to begin to read, right? Even if it's just by memorization, that's okay, right? For them to begin identifying these words within the definition.